Hi everyone, welcome to Augmental Puzzles again. As you can see, we've just come out of London Games Festival and I'm here to show you the new Logitech pen features. First of all, this is in the actual main game now and we're looking to ship it to our users. So we do actually have full interaction profile support and it switches to the pen as you would expect, and the pen works and is correctly tracked through the system. The biggest update is we've added these drawing pads. There is a pad for the puzzle overall, and then there's individual cell pads. These strokes are drawn on top of each other. It supports arbitrary colors. At the moment, we are supporting 5 colors here. The design is to be finalized. We also support erasure with the back end of the pen. And as you can see, based on distance, we support a thickness and a quality to the line. What we've done here is we've actually written our own renderer. We've talked about OCR and we want to do that in the future. However, at the moment we find that the basic pen input, because we've designed for one-handed input from day one, actually works really well. So all of the normal interactions of grabbing and inputting pencils works really well. So there is now one of these pads associated with every single cell on the board, allowing you to take notes across the puzzle. These are converted into compact delta fixed point expressions that allows us to compress these strokes down and supports thousands to tens of thousands of strokes, because we've find that the Godot render is a bit too heavy. We've actually written our own compositor effect, and we've got this packaged up in quite a nice way that if we wanted to make a Godot plugin for others to use, we could rather easily. What we're doing is those strokes are actually being injected in a compositor effect. We have dummy objects throughout, and then that actually in its own separate render pass with a custom shader comes through and very efficiently renders those individual strokes. For the erasure effect, we have a sort of temporary stroke that we place in for immediate user feedback, and then behind the scenes in a threaded fashion we erase those out. Now we are considering how to handle the differences between stroke-based OCR and pixel-based OCR, but at the moment we are looking to actually ship this feature set to our users, and we have put OCR on the back burner until we can ship this initial feature set. The game has just come out of London Games Festival, where we were part of the official selection. As I say, this patch will be live shortly. We're a bit behind with all of the shows on, and we are actually going to be talking at GodotCon in Amsterdam on Thursday, where I'll be talking about shipping commercial VR games in Godot as one of the first commercial VR games in Godot. And as I say, the Logitech features are going to be in a user-facing patch in the near future, so broad support there. And we do look to come back and, as I say, work on new puzzle modes and also get those OCR functionality in. And once again, thank you for having us in this project. It is great to get grips with the pen again, as it inspired us so greatly at the start of this project.